is a cool texture. I can't believe I finally have my own custom Avery slime. I've never had a custom Avery slime. This is going to be so cool to add to our collection. Ooh, it's a really nice butter texture. And also, this is from Twins Rule Slimes. You can get this slime off the Etsy site because they have their own website on Etsy. And this smells kind of like strawberries, but I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be scented cotton candy sky, and it's a cute pink color, and I really like the texture of this, so I'm definitely going to give this a 9.5 out of 10. I can't believe I already have my own official Avery slime now. Super cool to add to my slime collection, guys. Stay tuned for more slime videos, and I really like this Avery slime, so you can even get your own custom slime of your name if you're watching this video off the Twins Rule website. Bye, guys.